students, today I'll discuss with you the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Cabinet Mission was composed of 3 cabinet ministers of England. It is called Cabinet Mission Plan because it consists of the 3 cabinet ministers of the British. Number 1, Sir Patrick Lawrence. He was Secretary of State for India. Number 2, Sir Stafford Cripps, President of the Board of Trade. The same Stafford Cripps who came here as a head of the Cripps Mission in 1942. Then third, Alexander, A.B. Alexander, the first Lord of Admiralty. The mission arrived in India on 24th March 1946. The objective of this mission was to, number 1, devise a machinery to draw up the constitution of independent India. Number 2, the mission spent some 3 weeks to discuss with the leaders of various political parties, but could not arrive at any agreed solution. So finally, it announced its own recommendations on 16th May 1946. Third point, the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946 proposed that there shall be a Union of India, which was to be empowered to deal with the defense, foreign affairs, and communications. Fourth point, the Cabinet Mission recommended an undivided India and turned down the Muslim League's demand for a separate Pakistan. The Cabinet Mission restricted the communal representation. Fifth point, it provided that all the members of the interim cabinet would be Indians and there would be minimum interference by the viceroy. Next point, it also provided for the formation of the Constituent Assembly on democratic principles of population. Next, it recognized India's right to seat from the Commonwealth. Next, the Union government and its legislature were to have limited powers dealing with finance, foreign affairs, and the communication. Next, the Union would have powers necessary to raise the finances to manage the subjects. So, the Cabinet Mission Plan proposed a weak center. Next point, all subjects other than the Union subjects and all the residuary powers would be vested in the provinces. Next point, the princely states would retain all subjects and all residuary powers. Next, a Constituent Assembly will be formed of the representatives of the provincial assemblies and the princely states. Next, the representation of the provincial legislature was to be break up into 3 sections. And these 3 sections were A. Section A consists of Madras, UP, Central Provinces, Bombay, Bihar, and Odisha. B. Section B consists of Punjab, Sindh, Northwest Frontier Province, Balochistan, Muslim majority provinces. C. Section C consists of Assam and Bengal. Cabinet Mission Plan rejected the idea of separate Pakistan. Yet, it grouped the provinces in such a way that it gave weightage to the idea of Pakistan, because the Section B would get almost complete autonomy. Section B consists of Punjab, Sindh, Northwest Frontier Province, and Balochistan. Now, what was the reaction to the Cabinet Mission Plan? Indian National Congress rejected the idea of interim government. Congress also rejected the idea of weak central and division of India into small states. The Congress was against decentralization, and the idea was to have a strong center. The Muslim League first approved the plan, but when Congress declared that it could change the scheme through its majority in the Constituent Assembly, they rejected the plan. On 29th July, Muslim League rejected the plan and called the Muslims to report to direct action to achieve the land of their dream, that is Pakistan. Pakistan, the word originally coined by one student in London, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. And for the first time, Mr. Jinnah, in the annual session of the Muslim League in 1940, demanded openly the independent state for the Muslims, that is Pakistan. Pak means sacred, Stan means land. August 16, 1946 was fixed as the Direct Action Day. Direct Action Day, 16th August 1946, was fixed as the Direct Action Day, and it turned into the Great Calcutta Killing. This date started the week of long knives, and following this day, 6,000 Hindus and Muslims were stabbed, shot, and battered each other. 20,000 were maimed and raped. India was yet to taste independence. So this is all about the Constituent Assembly. Thank you very much.